Hi there. So, by default, when you are using Ninja Form or maybe other third-party form plugins, you might be faced that whenever you are going to click the submit button without filling all the fields, it will try to submit the form. It's default normal behavior of WordPress. So, if you go back to WordPress and settings, and make a small changes like boxes and click to enter, you'll see the save settings or the action has been taken. So this is normal behavior. So let's go back and click to enter. Yes, it's already updated. So you might facing this issue with the Ninja form, but how you can prevent the enter button pressing to submit the form? We will have to use the jQuery code to prevent this action. If you are using any child theme, you can write the upcoming code on your child theme. If you are not using any child theme, you can try a plugin, custom CSS and JS, which I am using now. You can search by like this. So there will a couple of plugins you will found, but I am going with this one. So you will find the menu like this and click to add custom JS. First give it a name. So preventing submit the form. Now, if you read the comment, it's recommend you to add your comment inside the jQuery document ready object. Otherwise, it might not work. So let's remove everything without this one and start our code here. So if you just write the code, it might be not work properly because whenever you come back to the front end, if you press the reload, you will see the form not loading instantly. It's taking a bit time, then load. So at first, we will have to use set timeout function, or we can also use to find the length of the specific class. So if the true, then we'll execute the code, but this time it might having issue because at the first when the code is executed and did not found the specific class, this code will not run the next time. So if we use the set timeout function, it will be better. So use set timeout and then we'll use like 2 seconds. You can use longer or the shorter time period to 2000 millisecond, that means 2 seconds. So inside this we will add our function. First we're looking for a class and then we'll take another action. So let's first looking for a class. So inspect on your form and let's see. From here the code is starting. So this is the form ID and this is the CSS class. So if our website has multiple form, we should use the class. So it will execute all the forms available on our website. So let's take this class. So we're looking for this class. And inside this, we have multiple classes. We can use something like this as we use in CSS as a selector. Under this, we have a form. So we will have to actually looking for the form. So when someone on this form, then we would like to check for the key press, which key a user is pressing. Then add a function. Oh, sorry. And we will check if a user is pressing which button. So we'll check which button is pressing, and if it's 13, 13 is a key number of the enter key. So key number of enter, you will see it's 13. So we can use this. If the key number is 13, we will prevent default. So the form will not be submitted and return false. So if you check, first we are looking for a form and looking for a key press. So if the key press equal to 13, we strictly checking for the enter key pressing. So we use triple equal, and then we will prevent default and then return false. This time we can use this code as an internal or external. So let's use as internal. If we use as external, this code or the file will be enqueue. So this will increase the request number, but we are going with the internal, so it will embed it on the page, and we will ensure this code is on the footer. Because we are using jQuery, we should wait for the main jQuery file to load. Then we will execute this code, so everything should be working properly. So before publish, let's retest the form. So right now, if I enter, the form is try to submit. Let's publish. And then press the shift or hold the shift and then click to reload button. So it will make a hard refresh of your web page. Now click to enter. It's just not submitting the form. This is what we are looking for. So it's working as expected. Right now, if anyone mistakenly or pressing the enter, it will not work. This is how you can prevent the enter key to submit the form. I hope that helps. If you need any help or having any issue, you can always comment below. So I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching the video.